a once-weekly single-use Zepbound pen. You may already know that Zepbound is proven to help adults with obesity lose weight, along with diet and exercise. So now let's take a look at how to use the pen. And if you're like me, you may be nervous to inject for the first time. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through each step of using it. To start, let's talk about how to store Zepbound. It is best to keep it in the refrigerator. But if you're traveling and don't have access to a fridge, the pens can stay at room temperature for up to 21 days. Now, come take a closer look. This gray cap stays on until you are ready to inject. Double check that the pen is not damaged and that you're taking the correct medicine and dose. Don't use it if the medicine is frozen, cloudy, discolored, or has any particles. And be sure to check the expiration date. The first step is to decide where to inject. You can do it in your stomach or thighs by yourself, or in the back of your upper arms with someone's help. You can use the same area every week. Just don't inject into the same exact spot. Your doctor can help you with these choices. I'm going for the stomach. Oh, and make sure to wash your hands before every injection. Just 3 more steps left. With the pen locked, remove the gray cap and throw it away. And do not touch the base. Place the clear base of the pen flat against your skin and unlock it by turning the lock ring. Press and hold the purple button for up to 10 seconds. The first click means the injection has started. Keep holding. The second click means it's done. The injection is complete when the gray plunger is visible. And that's all. The process is the same regardless of the dose you've been prescribed. Now, you just need to safely dispose of your used pen in an FDA-cleared sharps container. If you don't have an FDA-cleared sharps container, you can use a heavy-duty plastic household container, such as a laundry detergent bottle. And no, this isn't a paid partnership with a detergent brand. Just make sure it's made of heavy-duty plastic